Profits Dropshipping Review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so you can check it out for yourself. Now, let's break down what Profits Dropshipping offers and whether it's worth your time and money. Profits Dropshipping is a comprehensive tool designed to help online store owners streamline product research, automate fulfillment, and maximize revenue. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other major platforms, making it a versatile choice for dropshippers. Key features: AI-powered product research. The platform uses AI to identify trending, high-margin products with strong demand, saving you hours of manual research. One-click product importing. Easily add winning products from top suppliers including AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and US-based warehouses directly to your store. Automated order fulfillment. Profits Dropshipping syncs with your suppliers to process orders quickly, reducing manual work and fulfillment delays. Smart pricing and profit tracking. The system automatically adjusts pricing based on supplier changes and provides real-time analytics on profit margins. Ad spy and market analysis. Access insights into competitors' winning products, ad creatives, and sales strategies to stay ahead in the market. Fast shipping options. Unlike standard AliExpress tools, Profits Dropshipping connects you with US and EU suppliers for faster delivery times. Who is it for? This tool is perfect for both beginners and experienced dropshippers looking to scale. If you want a solution that combines product research, automation, and competitor analysis in one platform, Profits Dropshipping delivers. It's especially valuable for those tired of long shipping times and inconsistent suppliers. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: AI-driven research, automation features, fast shipping options, strong analytics tools. Weaknesses: slightly higher pricing, requires time to learn all the features. Final verdict: Profits Dropshipping is an all-in-one solution that takes the guesswork out of finding and selling profitable products. With advanced automation and market insights, it helps sellers maximize efficiency and revenue. If you're serious about dropshipping, this tool is worth considering. Check the links in the description to explore it further.